Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jason. In today's video, I'm going to show you what happens when you use the DARth to disable a camera. So this way you know what to look for when purchasing a Wi-Fi camera. Okay, so let me show you guys what this could happen. So right now, I don't know if you guys can see this, but my doorbell camera right now is running on the 2.4 gig. So what this actually does is it disables 2.4 gig Wi-Fi. So right now I'm going to turn it on, and most doorbells do not run on anything else but 2.4 gigs. So right here I'm just going to turn this on. So now it's going to start. If you pay attention over here and watch the camera, so as you can see, the camera just went dead and came back on, and it automatically switched to the 2.5, and the camera came back on. You just saw like a bug just fly over the camera, so it's showing you it is live. So when you guys go out and buy a doorbell camera, because 90% of them are Wi-Fi, what you want to look for is it supports both 2.4 and 5G Wi-Fi signal. This is the only way, let me just stop this. This is the only way it'll prevent anybody from disabling your Wi-Fi. Let's check out the two most popular ones, which is the Ring and the Nest. I get questioned on this quite a bit. Which one should I get? So let's find out. So right now I'm in the Ring website. So if we scroll down, so right over here where it says dual band Wi-Fi, as you can see, these two models are not compatible. They do not run off dual bands. So they're stuck on the 2.4 gigs. This one here, it's a hardwired one, the Video Doorbell Pro. This one does work off the dual band. So if you're looking for a Ring product, I do recommend getting the Video Doorbell Pro from Ring. This way you're safe. Okay, for the Nest doorbell, if you head down to looking for wireless, here it is right here. So 2.4 gigs and the 5 gig network, and it works with all these. So the Nest doorbell, from all the models I checked out, every single one of them is great. It works. This watch will not interfere with these ones as well. There's one important thing I want to mention to you guys. Even though you do have the 2.4 and 5 gig Wi-Fi camera, in order for yours to switch like mine did, you do have to combine the two together. For an example, I got one here, so I purposely disabled the 2.4 and the 5, meaning if I check my Wi-Fi, it'll say JasonTech as an example 2.4 and JasonTech 5 gig. So when you separate the two and your camera is set on the 2.4 network, this is what's going to happen. So right now this camera is live. If I turn this on again, so it's activated, now it's not working. So the minute I hit stop, if you watch my phone, you're going to get the message and it pops back up. So once again, if I turn it back on, picture froze. Turn it off. And it's back on. So keep in mind, guys, it's very important. Check out your Wi-Fi. Make sure you have a section that'll say balance or join. Do not separate the two, or else even though you do have a dual Wi-Fi camera, it will still be interfered if you have it just strictly on the 2.4 network. This will not work for you. So it's very important that you go through your settings and make sure you combine the 2.4 and the 5 together as one. So when one is out of range, it automatically will go to the 5. Plus, you'll get faster speeds. If you guys need me to make a video on this part, give me a comment below and I'll make you a video on it explaining how to do this. And you will see it will give you a larger range of Wi-Fi and better speeds because it combines the 5 with the 2.4. So there you guys have it. What to look for and what not to when you're looking to purchase a Wi-Fi camera. Like I said, guys, keep in mind this affects anything that runs on the 2.4 gigabyte network. So when especially purchasing a Wi-Fi camera, make sure you look at the details and try to find one that does work off a dual band, meaning 2.4, 5, and now the latest 6. But that's all I have for you guys for today. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. If you like this video, hit those thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, support the channel. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.